Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm back with another budget category product. This is Asus's new Vivobook 15 2019. It's the company's brand new budget category 15-inch ultrabook. The Vivobook 15 is a super compact, lightweight laptop with quite powerful hardware on the inside. It's mainly designed for people who are always on the go. So in this video I'm gonna unbox it and give me a full review on the product. Let's get started. So the Asus Vivobook 15 2019 comes in this sort of box packing. You've got the Asus Vivobook branding on the front and there's a big V logo on the front. Okay, let's turn it around and see what's written on the box packing. The model of the laptop we'll be reviewing today is Vivobook 15 X512F. This is a high-end model which comes with an i7 CPU. It also comes in i3 and i5 variants. So going to the back, we've got the specs of the product. As I've told you, the model of the laptop is X512FA. It comes in 5 different beautiful colors. We've got the transparent silver color variant. Talking about the display, it's got a 15.6-inch Full HD display, has NVIDIA's MX250 GPU, is powered by Intel's i7-8565U CPU, has 8GB of DDR4 RAM, 512GB PCIe SSD, and comes with a 2-cell 37Wh battery. So those are all the details of the product. Now let's finally get started with the unboxing. By the way, I want to thank Asus for sending me this product for review. Alright guys, so on opening the box, we've got the new Vivobook 15 at the top. It comes nicely packed in this cotton bag. Let me take it out. Damn, it feels pretty lightweight for a laptop. And here it is, the new Vivobook 15 from Asus. Wow, we've got this beautiful silver color variant and the laptop looks really nice from my first impressions. Let me just keep it aside for now and show you what else we got in the box packing. Oh guys, look at this! There's also a hard disk installation kit over here. So using this you can easily install a hard disk in the laptop. Along with that you've got some paperwork, it's a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. A mains card for the adapter and finally a power adapter for charging the laptop. It's a 19V 3.42 amp adapter. So that's it, these are all the items we got in the package. Now let me finally show you the laptop. So this is how the new Vivobook 15 looks like. It's a compact, travel-friendly laptop that is designed specially for people who are always on the go. The build quality is solid, the body is entirely made of metal and has the Asus logo at the center. The logo has a nice radial pattern that gives a premium feel to the laptop. Talking about the thickness, it's decently thin, measuring at a thickness of only around 19.9 mm. And the laptop weighs only about 1.75 kgs, so you can easily place it in your bag and carry it anywhere. Now let me give you an overview on all the sides and show you all the available connectivity ports on the laptop. So on the right side, you've got a microSD card slot, a 3.5mm audio port, a USB 3.0 Type-C port, HDMI, a USB 3.1 Gen 1 port, and a DC in port. Going to the other side, you've got 2 USB 2.0 ports and some status LED indicators, which include a power indicator and also a battery status indicator. Going to the back, you've got a lot of vents over here to let the heat escape. And this is how the bottom of the laptop looks like. Even the bottom part is entirely made of metal. You've got a lot of vents over here as well to let the heat escape. Has rubber foot pads on all the corners and you see these 2 grills on both the sides. These 2 are its speakers. It's got down-firing dual speakers powered by Asus Sonic Master technology. Well, that was our complete overview on the laptop. Now let me open it up and show you how it looks on the inside. So this is how the new Vivobook 15 looks like. It's got a beautiful frameless 4-sided nano-edge display and has a unique design called as Ergo Lift Hinge. So what this design does is, it adds a 2-degree lift by increasing the height of the laptop. Let me give you a demo. That is how it works. So what happens is, this 2-degree lift provides a more comfortable typing position and not only that, it also helps in keeping the laptop cool. Now that's a pretty smart design. Alright, now let me tell you about the display. The Vivobook 15 has a 15.6-inch Full HD 1080p LED backlit display with a frameless 4-sided nano-edge design. The bezels on it are ultra slim with a thickness of only around 5.7 mm and offer up to 88% screen-to-body ratio. You've got the Asus Vivobook branding here and has a webcam and some sensors at the top. So that was about the upper half. Now let me show you the lower half. So this is how the keyboard section on it looks like. It's got a full-sized backlit keyboard with an ergonomic design and says it's powered by Sonic Master just below that. Okay, let me give you a closer look at it and talk about the design and all of its features. The Vivobook 15 features a full-sized white LED backlit keyboard that is great for working in any sort of environment. It's got a sturdy one-piece construction and provides an ergonomic angle design to offer a comfortable typing experience. It offers a key travel of 1.4 mm and the quality of the keys is also nice. The keyboard is actually decent for that price point. Plus, the good thing is the brightness of the backlit LEDs can also be controlled using the function button, just like this. And talking about the touchpad quality is nice. It feels smooth and easily recognizes all the gestures and my finger movements. Also, I didn't face any sort of dead zones anywhere. The touchpad also has two integrated left and right click buttons, and the quality of these buttons were good. They felt tactile and clicky. The best part about the touchpad is it also comes with a fingerprint scanner. So using Windows Hello, you can easily log into Windows with just a single touch. Okay, so that was about the keyboard and the touchpad. Now let me tell you about the display quality. The Vivobook 15 comes with a 15.6-inch LED backlit Full HD 1080p display with an IPS level panel and offers up to 45% NTSC color gamut. The display looks pretty good considering the price point. And I have to say I really love this frameless nano edge display. The bezels on it are very thin and makes the display look much more immersive. The screen is sharp, bright, and the colors also look decent. The dynamic range is also pretty good. You'll definitely enjoy watching content on the display. But the only thing I was not that satisfied was with the vertical viewing angles. The horizontal viewing angles were fine, the display looked nice, but when viewed from either the top or bottom angle, the display gets completely washed out and doesn't look good. Apart from that, I had no complaints with the display. Just check out this video clip. Now talking about the audio, the Vivobook 15 comes with down-firing stereo speakers powered by Sonic Master technology. The speaker quality was decent, it sounded crisp and clear with very minimum distortion even at max volume. But I felt the audio output was not that loud and it was a bit less. Wish it could produce a little more sound. Just check out this audio clip. The dynamic range was also impressive for an action camera. There was good amount of detail in both the highlight and shadow areas. All these video clips were shot in 4K 60 with hyper smooth image stabilization and the exposure was set to auto. Okay, now let's jump into the performance section. First, let me show you the benchmarks. On Geekbench 4, we got a single core score of around 5051 and a multi-core score of 14561. On OpenCL, we got a score of around 47780. As I've told you earlier, the Vivobook 15 is powered by Intel's i7-8565U CPU and Nvidia's MX250 GPU with 2GB of VRAM. The laptop was performing great on day-to-day tasks like browsing the web with multiple tabs open, streaming videos and stuff like that. With 8GB of RAM, it's also capable of handling photo and also light video editing. Talking about gaming, it's not a dedicated gaming grade laptop, but yes, you can also play some games on it. You can play some basic games like CSGO, Dota 2 at 1080p high graphics with very good frame rates. I've also tried playing PUBG on it and the game was playable when the graphic quality was set between low and medium settings at 1080p resolution. But don't expect you'll play high-end games with buttery smooth experience on this laptop. The Vivobook 15 is not made for that purpose. Okay, so finally let me tell you about the battery life. The Vivobook 15 comes with a 2-cell 37Wh battery and the battery life was pretty good during my testing. When you use the laptop for day-to-day tasks like browsing the web, streaming videos and stuff like that at 50% brightness, you'll easily get around 5 to 5.5 hours of battery life. And the good thing is, it also supports fast charging. You can charge the laptop up to 60% in just 49 minutes. Pretty cool, right? Well, that was my video on Asus Vivobook 15 X512F. It's a good laptop on a budget, has powerful hardware on the inside and is good for college students or even office work. The only few things I felt the company could improve was the display quality, especially the vertical viewing angles, and also the audio output could have been a bit louder. Rest everything else was fine. The pricing of the Vivobook 15 starts from 34,990 rupees for the i3 variant. I'll leave links to all those in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.